Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I just wanted to wish everyone a very, very Merry Christmas. I don't know if I'll have time to do another video because I'm going to be in a few hours baking my heart out. I'm going to be making some red velvet cupcakes, decorating them, and cooking. And yeah, so I just wanted to come on just to wish everyone a very, very Merry Christmas. I also wanted to share some friend gifts that, let's see, this first one I'm going to share with you is from Sophia, who is Paper Sweets. Hey girl! I've had this package for like bag of goodies for a week or so, but I hadn't had a time to share. So like I said, I'm kind of behind on my videos, you guys, but you guys know how it is during the holidays. So anyway, I just wanted to share, first of all, this cute bag that she gave me. Look how cute. I love gingerbread, as you guys may know, and anything sweet. And so she gave me this bag of goodies. And so let me just dive in. She gave me this journaling cards. So cute. And then look at this cute little tag. I think she shared this on her video. So I will make sure I leave her link, and please make sure you visit her channel because she is an amazing crafter. She's been very busy, so she doesn't do like a whole lot of videos, but hopefully she'll be uploading some soon. Look at that pretty bling. Do I have that bling? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Anyway, thank you so much. But this is one of those ready-made cards, I think. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame. That she was able to find at Tuesday morning. And it's from the Merry Days. So how cute is that, her little tag? And I don't have this at all, so thank you so much. Look at these amazing, sorry guys. These will be great for Valentine's. Perfect. I love it. So thank you so much for that, Sophia. And then she gave me some stickers. Can never have enough stickers. I love putting these in my, packages and whatnot. She gave me some Seas candy. Yay! And I wanted to open this earlier and I didn't because I hadn't done this video. I was about to eat it, and then I decided, oh, I better do the video first. But I love Seas candy, you guys, and she knows that. She gave me this card. Look how cute. And that's one thing I haven't been able to do, you guys. I think I've only made one card, if I'm not mistaken. I've made tags and toppers and gift bags and things, but I don't think I've made any Christmas cards yet. So, no, I made a couple of them, but not very many. So look how pretty that is. And I love these little, love that. She used some die cuts there. And again, this is from the Merry Days card kit or card set. And her bow, yeah, so cute. And then she has her message here for me, which I had already read. So thank you so much, Sophia. You know I adore your cards, girl. And then she said she didn't really have time to create, but you did a fabulous job. I don't know what you're talking about. Look, she gave me this. Oh, this is so cute. I think I need this die. Oops. I'm not sure if that was there, but there's a little foam sticker. And then this is such a cute candy cane with a little, it's like a little candy cane charm. Love it. And then she, I don't know if you made this little bag, but it's so cute. And she gave me some, look, she gave me some more. Oh my goodness. She gave me some what do you call it? Some things to play with. Some charms, and I love this. This is so cute. I love the way you did that little... This is a great way to do this, and I've seen you guys do this. I have yet to do this on a paper clip. So cute. So thank you so much, Sophia. Love that. And let's see. She also gave me, and these are so darn cute. Look how adorable they are. And she gave me some of these lollipops. How cute. And I love how she did the little pom-pom at the top there. That is so adorable. Cute Santa. So cute. And I don't know if one of these were supposed to be for my daughter, but thank you so much. And then lastly, she gave me this cute, and I forgot where she said she got this sleigh, but I think it might have been from, did she take Target? I've forgotten, but I think she got this a year or two ago. Sorry for the crinkling, guys. Hold on a minute, because I really need to pull this out so I can show you the whole thing, because it is so stinking cute. So you see how she has everything. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Look how pretty, her little jingle bell, and that's a pretty ribbon. And then she has candy in here. I'm sorry, I totally messed up your wrapping here, but you see, guys, it's a sleigh, and it's full of candy, treats, chocolate. And then she has a little Santa letter. How cute is that? And then she has this sack with this. This is so cute. I love the way you did this. And inside, my little brush tree. And I hope I'm in frame. And then inside the sack, if I can get it open for you. Oh, goodness. Hold on, guys. Sorry. I don't know how to open this. For some reason, it's not opening. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh. Yikes. What is going on? Okay. She has a box in here. I don't want to mess up the box. And yes, she had this wrapped around the box. Look how cute this little box is. It's a good size too. I love how tall it is. And then inside the box, if I can get it opened. I don't think it's... Okay. She has a little ornament for me. Isn't that not cute? And so I can't wait to put this on my tree. Thank you so much, Sophia, for all the lovely, lovely goodies. And I'm going to be meeting up with her again sometime after Christmas. And another friend. And oh my goodness, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put that there. Look how cute my little Santa is. So anyway, guys, I'll come back because I have another package to share from another friend, my BFF. And thank you so much, Sophia. I love everything you gave me. You are so thoughtful. And thank you guys for sticking around as I tried to open her gifts. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Thank you, girl. Heart you.